myself, Dr. Vijay Bhaskaran, Executive Director for Kaveri Group of Hospitals, Bangalore and Hosur, and also the organizing committee chairman for this program. In the last 20 months, the world is mulling over the word COVID. Unheard of in the century. Irrespective of the age, region, creed, COVID is getting infected all. Because of so many deaths happened. The deaths are more than World War I and II. The healthcare community contributed immense to the humanity in this period. Dearth of consumables, dearth of pharmacy materials, dearth of oxygen, dearth of manpower, dearth of bed. But with whatever available facility, the healthcare community has contributed so much. During the treatment, many of the members lost their life. And to honor their sacrifice, and to honor their motivation, and to honor their service, we, the Kaveri Hospitals, initiated this Kritanya program to honoring them. In the last 15 days, we have traveled around Bangalore, covering 198 hospitals. We have shared with them the award and medallion. And also today, we are coming out innovation awards in 2 categories, clinical and non-clinical. All those things will be published in the domain, which will be useful if at all third wave is there. Because lots of work have been done by smaller hospitals, bigger hospitals, irrespective of the capacity. These will be highly useful. Also to honor the deceased warriors, we instituted scholarship and jobs. That also will be on the portal for next 6 months. Whoever is willing, they can avail that also. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity. On behalf of Kaveri Hospitals, we thank once again all.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಮೆರನ್ ಸಿಲಿಯಾ. ನಾನು 12th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ವೈಸ್, ಸೋಷಲಿ ವೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ, ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞ ನನಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ತಂಗಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್.